see one.
Let's see if we can see one of their mouths. Let's see if they lift their head for some food. So we can see their beak. Oh, that one is hatching. It's coming out of the egg. See it?
Are those robins?
Yep, baby robins.
Aww.
Oh, he's getting out of the egg, isn't he?
Mommy?
Yes.
One. I want to see. Let's see.
Look at that. Oh. Look at that.
That's a baby.
Yeah, it's a baby robin. Oh, look at him.
Oh, cute.
Yep. They're brothers and sisters.
Brothers and sisters.
Yep.
Look.
Yep.
No, they're sisters.
You think? Maybe they're three sisters.
What's the robins' names?
Should we give them names?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe we can all give them one name. Lauren, you name one of them.
Callie.
Okay, Audrey, you want to give one of them a name?
Callie.
How about a different name?
Rabbit.
Robin? That's a good name.
Come on.
How about we call one of them Blue?
I'll name one of them Pink.
Yeah?
And you and Audrey name one of them Green.
Uh-oh, we lost focus. There we go.
They're touching each other.
Yeah.
Why are they?
Because they're trying to stay warm. They're cuddling with each other so they can stay warm. Oh, that was sweet kisses. That one's hungry.
Go asleep. It's saying, Mommy. Saying, Mommy, I'm hungry. Say, Mommy, I'm hungry.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Okay, all right.
Are we going out to work or what? What are you doing? How are they doing?
We're taking pictures of,
Okay, let's leave them alone.
Robin.